Hi everyone, it's Dom here. I've just woken up and today I've got another episode for you guys. So, let's just get past these skylines. So now the bike is completely naked again. I've just taken off all the panels except the lower ones. So you might notice that the petrol tank is just sitting on the top here. It's just balancing on top. There's a little bit of petrol at the back, and since it's gravity feed, the petrol goes down to the lowest point. So it's pretty stable there. The reason behind this is that the air filter was dirty. Not sure if I mentioned it in a previous video, but I had some difficulty trying to find a new air filter, so I took it out and it's sitting on the deck out back. And here we have the air filter for the VT250 just drying out in the sun. Still looks a bit wet, so I'll leave it for a couple hours before coating it with the new air filter grease. So the way to get off the air filter, the air box, is well, the petrol tank is really easy. There's just this little screw right here. There's another one at the back. Just like pop off the seat and you can get to those two. The box, you've got these 6 screws around the periphery. There's 1, 2, 3, and then the same on the other side. Then you just pop it right off. I'll do it anyway, even though I haven't had breakfast yet. And there you have the top of the carburetors. Smells like engine starter. In my last video I mentioned the engine starter spray, but I didn't show it to you because I didn't actually have the video of it. But I'll just quickly show it to you now. It probably doesn't need it, but this here's it. Newlon brand, Australian made, Australian name. Start, you bastard.